Okay, day 2, Parker, Arizona, Colorado River. Yesterday we did pretty good. Caught a couple big ones. We're back for revenge today, baby. We're gonna get some bigger ones. I'm hoping for some 4 to 5 pounders. I kind of figured them out yesterday. Looks like the big ones are in the real strong current. So we're gonna go upriver, find some pretty strong current, go around some topwaters. Probably some little swim baits today. I'm gonna try and catch them on some little swim baits, maybe some jerk baits. See what they're biting. Probably a jig or two. But let's get to it. Alright guys, made a quick pit stop before we go to the end of the river. This place looks pretty juicy. I want to throw around a little popper here, see if we can't catch one. First cast of the day. Oh, got one. Hopefully that's not bad luck on the first cast. Little guy. Said, bigger ones I think are in the current. There we go. That's lucky. Little guy. Give him a chance to get off. Shake it off, buddy. Shake it off. They get hooked so good on this thing, they can't shake it off though. Can't shake it off, can you, buddy? These little guys are feisty. Screwed up my Whopper Plopper, man. There's one. Little guy. little guy. Whopper Plopper. Switched to a black Whopper Plopper because they're short striking just about everything I'm throwing. So I think that might help out. Except the sun just came out, so let's see if that's what they want today. There's one. A little bit nicer of a fish, it looks like. Man, these guys are crazy. They hate that Whopper Plopper. There's a bite. Little guy. Another one with him. What are you doing, little guy? Right in that big old worm. There's a good one. Careful, buddy. All right, well, that's a better one. I just switched back to the white Whopper Plopper. I had the black one on because the sun wasn't really out and a little overcast, but threw on this bigger, fatter Whopper Plopper and caught a nicer one. They hate that noise. Little guy, come on in the boat. Wow, I can't believe he ate it. This little guy should not be eating that big old plopper. Careful. Look at that little thing. Almost as big as him. Looks like a better one. Whopper Plopper. There's a decent one. Oh, he came off. Went under the dock there. Well, another hot day. At least it was a little bit overcast. Thanks for watching day 2 of Parker, Arizona on the Colorado River, guys. Caught some good fish today. Nothing that big, but it was a fun day. If you guys haven't been here, it's definitely a fun place to come and catch a lot of fish. You know, mostly I was catching them on topwater. It's kind of searching around, trying to find the fish with topwater. And then once I found a school, I'd try and drop the drop shot down and catch some more. Today I didn't find many schools, just a couple fish here and there. So overall though, great day. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Head in, get something to eat, and relax for a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a good day.